Merry Christmas! Welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone's having a great day. Today I have a Christmas wreath tutorial for you. This one is so simple and easy to make and inexpensive too. If you enjoy this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share this tutorial, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. It is free to subscribe. For today's DIY, you're going to need a 24-inch non-lit basic wreath, and it's just a greenery wreath from Walmart. You're going to need a sign, and mine came from Dollar Tree, and it was $3. You're going to need some shatterproof Christmas ornaments, some 10-inch mesh, and some 2.5-inch width ribbon with wire. First, you're going to want to start out fluffing your wreath, and this one had some imperfections in it, so kind of check your wreath out before you buy it. There were several spots in this one where it just had wire, so it's not the prettiest wreath, but that's okay. We're going to change that. First, you're going to take some of your ribbon, dovetail the end, and take your 10-inch mesh, pinch your ribbon together, then gather your mesh about 6 inches from the end, pinch them both together, go to the top of your wreath on the left side, twist the mesh and ribbon between two branches, just kind of fluff it. Then we're going to move down about 7 or 8 inches, gather your mesh and ribbon together, make a poof or puff, and just twist 2 branches around your mesh and ribbon. And we're going to do these same steps all the way down the left side of this wreath. So just kind of center up your ribbon, kind of fold the outer edges of your mesh inward, make a poof, find 2 branches and twist them around your mesh and ribbon. Don't pull it too tight. You could do these same steps all the way around your wreath if you wanted to, but I am just doing the left side of mine, and then at the end I'm going to let out a tail with the ribbon and let out a longer tail with the mesh because the mesh will curl up. Next, to the back of the sign, I'm taking some cable tie mounts that I ordered on Amazon. You just remove the back, and they do have a sticky back, but I like to add hot glue around them just to make sure they stay on. And just when you order them from Amazon, make sure you read the reviews. But these are really nice and easy for adding signs to wreaths, and they're just zip tie mounts or cable tie mounts. Now I'm going to set my sign aside to let the hot glue have time to dry. Just be very careful when you use your hot glue. Now we're going to be making a bow, so let out a tail, pinch it, and make a loop. And this is about a 5-inch loop. Hold it nice and tight in your hand. Go to the other side, make another loop the same size as your first loop. Let out some more ribbon. Make another loop. We're going to do 3 loops on the left, 3 loops on the right. Try to make the loops the same size on each side. Sometimes you have to do a half twist to keep the design of the ribbon on top. Just do a half twist. Just make sure you're keeping those loops the same size. Then we're going to let out a tail, and you'll want to have either a zip tie and some floral wire or some floral wire close by to wrap it nice and tight around the center of your bow. Here I'm just twisting the wire a few times nice and tight around the center of my bow. Then I'm going to dovetail the ends and fluff and shape my bow. I'm going to the left side in the middle, just taking the bow wires, threading them through the mesh, through the greenery wreath. Then I'm going to go to the back of the wreath, give those wires a few twists, and then cut them off short and fold them down after I make sure that I have the bow in the place that I want it. Don't cut them short until you're sure this is where you want your bow. I did tie a second bow for the bottom of the wreath. Next, I just took some 20 gauge floral wire, threaded them through the cable tie mounts, gave it a few twists, or you can use long pipe cleaners if you want. So I added one wire to the top, then I'm adding a second wire to the bottom, and this just makes it easy to attach your sign to your wreath. So I'm going to put my sign in the middle, kind of at the top, and that way I can add a bow underneath it. I am just taking my wires and threading them through the wreath. Then I'm going to go to the back, give the wires a few twists, cut them off short, and fold them down. Last, I am taking some shatterproof Christmas ornaments, just adding a little hot glue to the back of them and going to place them around my wreath. Just be very careful when you use your hot glue. And I am using Gorilla Glue hot glue sticks, and I have my hot glue gun on the low temp setting. So I'm using some really pretty red poinsettias and some shatterproof Christmas balls in 2 different colors. The red poinsettias came from Hobby Lobby. I'm not sure where those blue Christmas ornaments came from, but the blue and white peppermint like twist ones, I just picked those up at Dollar General. So just be very careful when you hot glue your Christmas ornaments on. Kind of hold them in place and let them have time to dry a little bit before you let go. At first, I did not have the bow on the bottom, so the sign's up a little bit high. So you'll have to let me know if you think I should lower the sign and put it in the center and remove the bottom bow, or do you like it with the 2 bows and the sign up high? You can make this wreath for any season or holiday. I am just making mine for Christmas, and Believe in the Magic sign was $3 at Dollar Tree, and I think it fits perfect in the center of this wreath and goes pretty with the Sam's Club ribbon. You'll have to let me know if you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you did. Please give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment, share this tutorial, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber, so please hit that subscribe button. And if you're entering my Christmas 2023 giveaway, I can link that tutorial that has all the details. If you don't know about that, it's in the description box of that tutorial, and I'm giving away on December 14th, 2023, a $50 Hobby Lobby gift card to one winner. Thanks so much for watching, and Merry Christmas.